Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to shut off the fill valve to your toilet. Now there's actually a couple different things that this could be talking about, so we're going to cover both of them. Located on the side of the toilet is actually a fill valve here, and a lot of times it is a ball valve where you'll just simply do a quarter turn on it and it'll shut the water off completely. It's usually located on the left hand side of your toilet. The other thing that you might be talking about is actually inside the back of the tank. Go ahead and carefully remove the top of the tank, and there's a flapper right here that controls the water going into the bowl. What happens is a lot of times the fluid master or fill valve gets stuck open like this, which will cause leaking going into your tank. What you have to do is simply grab the top of your fill valve and give it just a little bit of a turn and make sure it's not coming into contact with your handle. If you want to override your fill valve but not shut the water off at the base, you can always pick up on this plunger right here, which will stop the water from filling into the back of your tank. And you can do any little repairs that you need to, mess with your chain on your flapper or anything like that without having to deal with the water. Knowing how to shut off the water to your toilet is very important. That way, if there's ever an emergency where something goes out in the toilet and constant water's coming out, you need to know how to shut that off so you don't have a lot of water damage. Thank you all for watching, and good luck with this project.